If you're running a factory in Southeast Asia or Africa, you know the struggle. Electricity prices are sky high, the grid is shaky, and a single blackout can kill your entire production line. During peak hours, those bills aren't just high, they're literally eating your profits alive. That's exactly why we built this customized solution. Check it out. This is a 60 kilowatts, 100 kilowatt hours outdoor energy storage system. We've packed a 60 kilowatts PCS, a 60 kilowatts DC module, a high voltage box, and our own self-developed smart EMS into one rugged, outdoor-ready cabinet. It's built to plug right into your solar plant. So, how does it cut costs? Simple. During the day, it grabs the excess solar energy your factory isn't using and stores it. You can also charge from the grid when rates are at their absolute lowest. Then, when prices spike or the grid fails, the battery kicks in automatically to power your load. The result? Lower bills, total energy security, and way more solar self-consumption. For industrial parks facing high tariffs, this is the smartest way to protect your production and boost your ROI.